Today I am going to explain the first PUC Computer Science fourth program under C++. Question is, write a C++ program to convert days into years, months and days. So hint is, assume all the month having 30 days. This is the question. So in this question, you are going to give the total number of days. So if you give 365 days, for example, you need to convert that into number of years, months and days. So how to convert it? You know, 1 year contains 365 days. So 365 days is nothing but 1 year. So year is 1, month is 0 because no more months is remaining there. So 365 days forms 1 year. So no months, no days. If you take 366, at that time when you convert this, total number of years will be 1, month will be 0 and days is 1. So 365 days plus 1 days forms 366. So this is how you convert it. So let us see the algorithm, flowchart, calculation, mainly calculation, and then you are going to see the program, you are going to see the output. So let us start. Before starting, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Okay, let us go. So this is the algorithm. Step 1 is start. As I have told you how to write an algorithm, if you don't know still, you just go to my first program video. There I have explained how to write an algorithm. So first step is start, second step is input. So input is total number of days, right? In the question itself they have given you convert number of days into year, month and days. So you have to give the total number of days that has to be converted to year, month and day. So input is total. Next comes the calculation, and this calculation you have to by heart it. Let us see the calculation. So year is equal to total days divided by 365 days. So 1 year contains 365, right? So total number of days divided by 365 days gives you the year. If you give 1015 days, so it will convert it as 2 years, so many months, so many days. So that is how it is calculated. First you need to calculate the year. So to calculate the year is equal to total number of days divided by 365 days. This will give you the year. So next, again total days is equal to total days mod 365. Why this line is given, I will tell you in the calculation part. The next step is month is equal to total number of days divided by 30. So each month has 30 days. So in the question they have told, take all the month having 30 days. That is the hint here. So month we have taken 30 days. Total number of days in a month is 30 days. So to calculate month, you are giving total number of days divided by 30. To calculate remaining days, you are going to give total number of days mod 30. And here mainly you need to know what is this divide symbol and what is this percentage symbol. This is not percentage, it is mod. So I think you guys know what is divide and what is mod operation is. Divide is you are going to take the quotient part. Mod operation is you are going to take the remainder part. That is the difference between divide and mod operation. So this is the formula. The fourth step is you are going to display days, month and year. In the question itself, you know that you have to convert into year, month and day. So this will be your output. So you need to display days, month and year. Next, last is stop. It tells that end of the program. So this is the algorithm. Now you need to convert this algorithm into flowchart. So this is the flowchart. The first step is start. So here start. Next, input total number of days. Input total number of days. Next is the calculation part. 4 lines are there. 4 steps are there that you have entered it in the rectangle. Next you have display days, months and year. You have given day, month and year. The last step is stop. Stop. Here you can give years, months, days also. So this is your flow chart. Nextly, I have explained how to calculate using those formula. So here this is the formula and this is the calculation part. So let us calculate. Let us consider total days is equal to 1015, that is 1015 days. So first line year is equal to total days divided by 365. So to calculate year, 1015 divided by 365. So here, one second, there is a slight mistake here. It is 2 years. One 1015 divided by 365. I'll show you the calculation. 1015 divided by 365 days is equal to, you have 2 here, right? So that 2 is taken here, that is total number of days. So total days is equal to 1015 mod 365. So what is this is, you are going to take the remainder. Why this line is taken is because, so in 2 years you have, I'll just show you, 365 into 2 I'll do, that is in 2 years you have 730 days, right? So out of 1015 minus 730 days, you get remaining is 285. This is the one way of calculating, or you can do the mod operation. So remaining is 285 days. See here, 1015 mod 365, one way of calculating. I showed you total 2 years you have 1015 minus 730, that is for 2 years 730 days, remaining is 28, or else you can calculate it like this: 1015 mod 365, you get 285. Same thing. So remaining days is 285. So out of this you are going to calculate it here. So 2 years you have already got. Now you need to see how many months and how many days are remaining to form 1015. So month is equal to remaining days 285 divided by 30, you will get answer is 9. Days is equal to 285 mod 30, if you do, that is 15. So 1015 number of days, total number of days is 1015 days. This 1015 days, when you convert it to year, month and days, it is 2 years, 9 months, 15 days total. These three things forms 1015 days. This is the calculation. I hope you understood. Let us see the program. So the first two statement is your header file # include iostream.h. This is used because whenever you use cout and cin in your program, you are going to use this iostream.h header file. Whenever you use clr, scr and getch in your program, you are going to use conio.h. So your main program will start from void main, open flower braces. You are going to give integer total number of days, year and month. These are the 4 variables that is required in your program. Next, clr, scr, it will clear the output screen. So in the question they have told you are going to input the total number of days. So that is done by these two lines. So cout, enter the total number of days, cin, total days. So cin takes the input from the output, input device, your keyboard. So you are going to give the total days in your program. So this part I have already explained. When you want to calculate year, so total days divided by 365, when you give it, you will get the total number of years. You are going to get it in this. Then again you are going to calculate the total number of days, because after calculating the year, whatever the remaining part, that has to be converted into number of months and number of days. So this line is given for that reason. After calculating the year, you don't have to again calculate the year part. You just have to calculate the remaining days. That remaining days has to be converted into months and days. So here you are going to calculate remaining days in this line. So next, whatever the remaining days is, you are going to calculate the month. If it is more than 30 days or 40 days, you are going to convert it into number of months. Again, when you do the mod operation, at that time you will get remaining days. So this is how this logic works. So next, you have got year, month and days here. So you are going to display the answer using cout statement. Years is equal to, this will be printed on the output screen. This year will display the answer. It is a variable. So cout month is equal to will be displayed on the output screen, and this month variable will display the content of the month. Again, one more cout statement to display the days. So days is equal to days. This is a variable where it contains the value of days. Getch till you give a character from the keyboard, it will be in the output screen itself, then closing braces. So this is the output. So this I have already explained, 1015 for the calculation part. So the first cout statement, you see it here, enter the total number of days, that is printed the first line. Next it is cin, total number of days. So you have given 1015. So after calculating 1015 days, you have 2 years, 9 months and 15 days. Let us check the second output. Enter the total number of days, 398. So 398 is 365 days is 1 year. Then after that remaining is 1 month plus 3 days you have in 398 days. So this is the program. I hope you guys understood mainly the logical part. By this, you know how to take the input, how to give the output, how to display it on the screen, where to place the logical part. From this program, everything depends upon your logic, the calculation part you need to know. I hope you guys understood. If you like this video, please like my video, share my videos. If you have any doubts, please comment. I'll reply. If you have any doubts, you can leave your question in the comment box. I'll reply for it. Thank you.